Hello, Chetwe. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Uh, how are you doing? I've come with my Yoruba thing again, so I want us to listen very well. You see, there's a saying in Yoruba that stated, "Bomi ṣe wonu agbon, kò ṣẹ́ni tó yé." Well, I would say that that statement was firstly made up when there was no science and there was no written. Because nowadays, bomi ṣe wonu agbon, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn ló ti yé o, gbogbo èèyàn dẹ̀ ló ti mọ̀. Because you see, Yoruba people then, we are wise. Yes, no one can detain that, or no one can say it's not true that we're not wise. We are wise. But then, if I thought there was someone, or there was someone who, believes in science and do research, we will know that, yes, but how are we going to change that? Because, you see, this is us now. We want to learn Yoruba, and there are some Yoruba that is antagonizing scientifics. So how are we going to do it? So science has proven things beyond its, people's imagination, and we need to make it right. So Yoruba sọ pé bómi ṣe ń wọnú àgbọn kò sẹ́ni tó yé. Let me explain something to you. Bómi ṣe ń wọnú àgbọn science ti jẹ́ kó yé wa. If time permits me, I'll explain that. Now, you see, nowadays, or from then till now, people are using this particular proverb. Pé bómi ṣe ń wọnú àgbọn kò sẹ́ni tó yé bó ṣe sóríire kò ní sẹ́ni tí ó yé. Ọlọ́run ọba ó ṣe oríire rẹ̀ ní. People used to use it for prayer. Pé bómi ṣe ń wọnú àgbọn kò sẹ́ni tó yé kíní kan like that. So, bómi ṣe ń wọnú àgbọn òun lélẹ́yìí bí science ṣe explain fún wa. Science jẹ́ kó yé wa wípé tabawo náà dáadáa a máa rí pé ẹ̀kàn kí ló ń pe ẹ̀kàn yẹn ní English náà ó sábà mi lórí ẹ̀kàn igi àgbọn. It is one of the most thing that go deeper inside land. Yeah. So ó máa ń wọnú ilẹ̀ gan, ó jẹ́ ẹ̀kàn tó máa ń jìnnà tó máa ń wọ inú ilẹ̀ gan, so that people might not even know its destination. Now that ẹ̀kàn, that thing, when it goes deep, it's going straight into the river. Inú odò ló ń lọ tààrà bẹ́yẹn. So láti inú odò yẹn, òkè ní ẹ̀kàn yẹn ó máa mú omi, òun ló máa deliver omi lọ sí òkè níbi àgbọn. Now tó bá ti máa deliver omi lọ sókè, I will search for a video that Arojinle did on that particular video. So I will include it on this video. But I think my Instagram was suspended just now, so I'll have to wait a little bit, a day or two, before I search for that video. So for me to make this video more comprehensive. Now, so the water, the ẹ̀kàn yẹn ó máa mú omi, ó máa transfer omi lọ sókè. Then tó bá transfer omi lọ sókè, òun ló máa wá develop, as in omi yẹn máa bọ́ sínú àgbọn kọ̀ọ̀kan. So without the water, there is no colarnut. Àgbọn yẹn ò lè, àgbọn yẹn ò lè dàgbà. It is even the water that is developing àgbọn, that is developing the colarnut inside itself. So the saying that stated bómi ṣe wọnú àgbọn kò sẹ́ni tó yé, ó ti rẹ́ni tó yé báyìí. But my concern is this: how are we going to change it? That people will not use this to sing, people will not use this for praying again, because àwọn èèyàn ti mọ bómi ṣe wọnú àgbọn. Yes, Yorùbá yẹn ó wà lára nǹkan tó jẹ́ ká parẹ́ nígbà tí science ti prove it wrong. Ẹ dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé kò ń ṣe, everybody, gbogbo èèyàn ló ń ṣe science nísìn. Now, so when everybody is doing science, kò sí bẹ́ẹ̀ tí máa sọ fún ọmọ science pé kò sí bómi ṣe ń wọnú àgbọn kò sẹ́ni tó yé, á prove ẹ̀ fún yín sìn, á draw rẹ̀, á ṣe. So please, I am calling upon the elders, the professors in Yoruba, the people that have talk, that have say, that when they talk, yes, they will, people will accept it. So please, we need to change that particular proverb. Pé bómi ṣe ń wọnú àgbọn kò sẹ́ni tó yé. So ó ti yé àwọn èèyàn. That is number one. There is another video that I will be doing tó sọ pé àtọlẹ̀dọ́lẹ̀ ní tàdá. I thought I've done that in the past, and there is a saying that pé níbi tí ọká bá dúró sí níbẹ̀ lórí oúnjẹ ọká ti máa bá. Kò dẹ̀ sí ẹran tí ọká bá fẹnu sọ ó máa padà wá bá a náà. Kò sí ibi tó bá lè lọ, kó lọ sí London, kó lọ sí America, ó máa padà wá kú sẹ́nu ẹ̀ ni. I'm telling you, kò kí ń lọ tó bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn o. Yes, it is not used to go that way. At least tí ọká bá sán ẹranko, kò lè rìn 3 minutes. Kò lè rìn. So ọká máa wá trace ẹ lọ. Do you get it? Ọká máa trace ẹ lọ ni, tàbí kó jẹ́ pé kò lè rìn kò lè pẹ́ rárá tó jẹ́ pé ẹran yẹn fi máa kú, then tí ọká fi máa jẹ. Tẹ́ bá ń gbádùn gbogbo nǹkan tí ẹ̀ ń bá bọ̀, tẹ́ ti ń bá wa bọ̀ látẹ̀ nǹkan, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, please, mo fọlọ́run bẹ̀ yín. When you're watching this video, if you are not subscribed before, please subscribe. Subscribe, mo fọlọ́run bẹ̀ yín. I am begging you in the name of God, in the name of whatever you believe into. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Kunle Bamiji TV. You can, follow us on Instagram, Kunle_Bamiji. Please, and our Facebook to Kunle blog, and it will soon change to Kunle Bamiji also. Please and please, mo fi Ọlọ́run bá bẹ̀ yín. Ẹ ṣeun.